Sprouting is the process of germinating seeds, grains, or legumes by soaking them in water and allowing them to grow into young plants. This process involves activating the dormant seed and initiating the growth of a new plant, which results in changes in the nutritional composition and digestibility of the sprouted food. Let's understand more about sprouting process in this video. Selection of seeds or grains. The first step in sprouting is to select high-quality seeds, grains, or legumes suitable for sprouting. Common choices include alfalfa seeds, mung beans, lentils, chickpeas, wheat berries, and quinoa. Rinsing and soaking. The seeds or grains are thoroughly rinsed and then soaked in water for a specified period, typically ranging from a few hours to overnight. Soaking helps hydrate the seeds and initiate the germination process by breaking down enzyme inhibitors and activating enzymes. Draining and rinsing. After soaking, the seeds are drained of excess water and rinsed thoroughly to remove any remaining debris or impurities. Rinsing helps prevent the growth of mold or bacteria during the sprouting process. Germination. The soaked seeds are placed in a sprouting vessel or container, such as a sprouting jar, tray, or sprouting bag, where they are allowed to germinate in a warm, humid environment with access to air and light. Over the course of several days, the seeds begin to sprout as tiny roots and shoots emerge from the seed coat. This stage is characterized by rapid metabolic activity and biochemical changes as the seed transitions from dormancy to active growth. Rinsing and draining. Throughout the germination process, the sprouting seeds are rinsed and drained multiple times, usually 2 to 3 times a day, to keep them hydrated and prevent spoilage. Rinsing also helps remove any bitter-tasting compounds or excess starches released during germination. Harvesting. Once the sprouts have reached the desired length, typically 1 to 2 inches, they are harvested by gently removing them from the sprouting vessel. The sprouts can be rinsed one final time to remove any remaining hulls or seed coats before consumption. Storage and use. Sprouts can be stored in the refrigerator for a few days in a sealed container or plastic bag lined with paper towels to absorb excess moisture. Sprouts can be eaten raw in salads, sandwiches, wraps, or smoothies, or lightly cooked in stir-fries, soups, or casseroles. The sprouting process enhances the nutritional value of seeds and grains by increasing their vitamin, mineral, enzyme, and protein content while reducing anti-nutrients such as phytic acid and lectins. Sprouted foods are also easier to digest and may offer health benefits such as improved nutrient absorption, enhanced digestion, and increased antioxidant activity. However, it's essential to follow proper hygiene practices and food safety guidelines when sprouting seeds to minimize the risk of foodborne illness. The objective of this video was to know about sprouted process.